Irresistible Gingersnap Scones with Espresso Glaze, easy homemade recipe. Hey there, welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're making a delightful treat that combines the warmth of ginger snaps with the richness of espresso. That's right, we're baking up some Gingersnap Scones with Espresso Glaze. Ingredients. For the scones. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon ground ginger. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves. 1/2 cup cold unsalted butter, cut into small cubes. 1/2 cup molasses. 1/4 cup heavy cream. 1 large egg. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the espresso glaze. 1 cup powdered sugar. 2 tablespoons strong brewed espresso, cooled. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. First, in a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and our lovely spices, ginger, cinnamon, and cloves. Next, using a pastry cutter or your fingertips, cut in the cold butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. You want those little butter pockets for flakiness. In a separate bowl, whisk together the molasses, heavy cream, egg, and vanilla extract until well combined. Now, pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and gently mix until the dough just comes together. Be careful not to overmix, we want tender scones, not tough ones. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and gently pat it into a circle about 1 inch thick. Then, using a sharp knife or a bench scraper, cut the dough into 8 wedges. Place the scones onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving a little space between each one. Then, pop them into a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for about 15–18 minutes, or until they're golden brown and cooked through. While our scones are baking, let's whip up that delicious espresso glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together the powdered sugar, brewed espresso, and vanilla extract until smooth and glossy. Once your scones are out of the oven and slightly cooled, generously drizzle them with that luscious espresso glaze. Oh, the aroma is just heavenly. Perfection. These Gingersnap Scones with espresso glaze are the ultimate treat for any time of day. They're tender, spiced just right, and that glaze adds the perfect touch of sweetness with a hint of espresso. Trust me, you won't be able to resist them. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious creations. Until next time, happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Coarse Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.